I am Danny Biesmans. I'm 50 years old. I live in Schimmert, nearby Valkenburg aan de Geul, in Limburg, Holland. And my vehicle is a Nekaf Willys Jeep from 1950. Nekaf Willys Jeep is Willys together with Nekaf, because the Americans came to Europe with her vehicles. They have the Willys Jeep and they had not enough Willys Jeeps, so they go together work with a Dutch factory. The name was Nekaf, and so this Jeep is built out of Nekaf and Willys Jeep from America. So we have the Nekaf Willys. I don't know how many Nekaf Willys Jeeps there are, because when we drive over the highway we don't see Nekaf Jeeps a lot, because you see the real Willys Jeeps. And on the meetings they are all normally always are Willys Jeeps. It's really rare, because it's a Dutch car. How did I find the Nekaf Jeep? I found it on the internet. I'm looking for 4 or 5 years. I'm looking for a good one, and I found a good one 2 years ago. Why a Nekaf Willys Jeep? Because I like military vehicles, and I want to have a Dutch vehicle but also an American vehicle. So yeah, that was good for me, because they are in the Netherlands the Nekaf Willys Jeep. I pay for it 20,000 euros because in the very good conditions. You have cheaper Nekaf Willys Jeeps, but they are not so good in shape. The big problem by a cheaper vehicle is the bodywork. They are not good shape. The wheels are a problem, and the floor, because these Jeeps can go through the water. We have a lot of water here in the Netherlands. I use the Jeep for driving around the country. Yeah, just for that, with my kids, and we have a lot of fun. What particular is on my vehicle is waterproof, because the engine is prepared for drive through the water, and the exhaust goes up above water level. Of course, the 2-liter 4-cylinder motor, so it's very strong. We have a high and a low range gearbox, and it's very strong, very strong. The special accessories are 2 helmets, and we have ammunition, but it's not real ammunition, ammunition box, and we have 2 or 3 jackets for on the vehicle. We have 1 axe behind the car, and we have 1 spade at the engine. I bought it already when it's totally finished. Another good feeling what I have with the Nekaf Willys Jeep is when I drive with my two children over the road. We have a lot of fun together, and many people look at you, take pictures from you, ask if the children also can sit in the car for take pictures or something else, and that's nice. That gives a good feeling. The most difficult for owning this Jeep is to listen and feel how the car is drive over the road. You must listen to your motor and feel the heart of the motor in your vehicle on the road. That's most difficult.
Is that also one of the best things about owning this?
Yes, I think that's the best, because the good feeling about an old car, you must listen, you must feel it, and you must drive slow, you cannot drive hard, you must feel it. It's a feeling, and that's a good feeling. That's very nice. My name is Danny Biesmans, and this is my Nekaf Willys Jeep.